First, we collect all the shapes that we can make. Here we just made circle, triangle, square, rectangle, heart. We also have diamond. We can make a diamond. A diamond. And in terms of the ovals, and we also have this ball, which is also round, round. And then we have a play, right? First, start by showing off the shape and you say, rectangle. Rectangle. Then square. Look at this, it's a square. This is triangle. It's a... And the diamond. Diamond. The new kids don't say like that. Diamond. So the circle because it's round and the heart because it's like that, right? So you do it for all your shapes, but this is what we can do with magnet tiles. Magnetic tiles are probably one of the long-term good quality investment of your money. If you don't know what to buy, these guys are a good one.